Hello again. This is the latest update of the kick wheel that I converted into a treadle wheel. So there are some things I changed and added. I put another bearing on the bottom, so now there's two bearings to stabilize this, the kick wheel, the flywheel, and then I also put another bearing there. So there's two bearings to stabilize the top wheel. So now it's working really good. And the rod, I figured out that I can use a PVC with a hot air gun to bend it. It's working good. It's running a lot smoother now, not as jerky as before, and it's quite stable on the top now. And I also added these two strings, so now it's a lot stronger to step on. Yep, so that's the update.